Yeah, my father had the biggest influence on my life and in coaching. He was just a remarkable person, a remarkable father, husband, and man, a great teacher. And he was, I think what makes him so unique is he was such an unassuming person. He just went about his business, put his head down, went to work, and then meanwhile he influenced thousands of kids' lives without even necessarily trying too hard. It was just who he is, and so he was a very special person. Yeah, we were fortunate to get involved with coaching. We grew up in a community that had great coaches all the way from our youth leagues all the way up through high school. I played at a terrific high school in Cardinal Mooney High School for a great head coach and Don Butchie, and my father was a longtime defensive coordinator there. And so we grew up really around my school, spending time with my dad and just being around our high school. And then fortunate to play for Hayden Fry at the University of Iowa, and he was really the one that gave Bob, Mike, and myself all our first jobs, our first graduate assistant jobs, and just blessed to spend some time with Hayden Fry. He's a Hall of Fame coach and just a wonderful man. So I would say he had a big influence. Outside of my father, then I'd say Hayden Fry had a big influence as well. You know, obviously with the passing of my father at such a young age, I was in college, and he passed so suddenly. He was a very healthy person. He really was lean. He never drank, never smoked, lived a very healthy lifestyle. And we just always, he was our rock. He was our guy that we thought would always be there. And lo and behold, at 54, he died of a massive heart attack. And that had a dramatic impact on my life. And as we get going in our adult life and get around coaching and the stresses that are involved, it just makes sense to get involved and to be educated on heart disease. I think it's very important for myself, if I can have an influence on anybody in the state, to have more awareness for cardiac care. It's here. UK Healthcare works with everybody throughout the state to bring that awareness, to have an impact on people's lives. And it doesn't just affect elderly. It affects a lot of people. And I think that's what people don't understand, and there's help out there. My father would be very proud of all of us, of all my family, and certainly me being here and being the head coach at Kentucky. I'm sure he'd be very proud, and I'm sure he's looking down on me with a smile and hopefully give me that guiding influence that I need. But he'd be very proud and very happy, with what we've done with our life, not just the success of being a head coach.
UK Gill Heart Institute and ARH, a great team with lots of heart.